Welcome back, amiibros and amigals, to a brand new episode of NintenDIY. I am super excited to finally show you guys this really simple Valentine's Day DIY. You can definitely spice up your box of chocolates this year for that special someone, and again, it is super easy. All the materials will be down below in the description. The only one that I didn't list was glue, but you can use pretty much any adhesive out there. So once again, all materials will be down below in the description. This NintenDIY is perfect for someone who loves The Legend of Zelda, and you can use any heart container. I use the one from Breath of the Wild. So again, all you have to do is print it out, and you can find the exact size on the chocolate box, or you can Google it. Once you find the correct size and you've printed it out, go ahead and cut it out, and then trace it on to a red sheet of paper. You can have a lot of fun by actually incorporating different shades of red or even different patterns. Just take a trip to your local craft store and just walk down the aisle and see if there's any particular reds that you love. I tend to use a lot of glitter paper, but this time I figured that I would kind of hold back just a little bit. Instead, I did use the glitter for, of course, the gold instead, and I felt like that would pop a lot more. So in order to make the gold border, all you have to do is grab your Exacto, and of course, if you are not of age and you're too young, definitely ask your mom or dad to help you out with this part. So all you're doing is making sure that you grab your stencil, you've cut out all the red areas, and you're left with the gold trim. So of course, trace that gold trim onto the back of the gold shiny glitter paper. Make sure that you've traced out every single part of the empty spaces on the stencil, and then once you lift it up, it is time to cut out those areas using your Exacto once more. So again, if you're not of age, please ask your mom or dad. You can cut out the heart shape using scissors, but as stated, I would use the Exacto to cut out those small details. It is super difficult, if not impossible, to try to get scissors in between those areas. So once more, use your Exacto, but please be very careful and try to use a cutting board. Alright guys, we are almost done with this NintenDIY. If you happen to make any of my NintenDIYs or Nerd DIYs, definitely share them with me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I tend to share it with everyone in the community, and I would love to see your guys' creations. So once again, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I do appreciate the support. Now all you have to do is glue all the pieces onto the front of the heart-shaped chocolate box for Valentine's Day and fill it with your favorite goodies. It doesn't have to be chocolates, it can definitely be something sentimental. So let me know in the comments below what you would put inside this heart container. All the materials down below in the description, including all my social media, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thank you so much for the support, and I will see you next time.